après-midi tout le monde. Tout d'abord, merci beaucoup pour l'invitation. Je vous souhaite tous une très bonne conférence. Actually, my presentation is a little bit far away. I will talk about quality and accreditation policy analysis and how this new trend in the education will contribute to the sustainable development, especially in the Arab world. I will take you far away a little bit. So we will see a comparison about Egypt and the Kingdom of Bahrain. Actually, my background, I'm from Egypt, and my PhD was from Canada about public policy analysis for energy policy and environmental policy. And I worked a lot in different researches as a postdoctoral fellow with University of Quebec, University of Ottawa, and Memorial University of Newfoundland in Canada. And I'm associate professor of public policy analysis in Egypt. And just right now, I am visiting professor, associate professor in University of Bahrain. So if we'd like to start, the topic was networking strategy for the development of quality assurance and accreditation policy in higher education, a comparison study, as I said, between the Kingdom of Bahrain and Egypt. So the research objective quickly was to elaborate a detailed analysis of higher education reform policies in developing countries, especially with the quality assurance and accreditation concept. And as you may know, nowadays it is very, very important core values to go for a sustainable development and to integrate the accreditation of education to go for this sustainable development, especially in the Arab world. It is really something we have to work a lot and we have to invest a lot of work behind this. So I just would like to discover the networking means the relationship between the government and the different universities in Bahrain and Egypt, and also by the public policy analysis tools. I would like to describe this relationship and to see if this initiative is really governmental initiative or universities initiative to go for sustainable development and accreditation in education. So my methodology was, as I said, a case study with different universities in Egypt and in Kingdom of Bahrain to see the relationship between the government and those universities. So the tool I used for this is a public policy network approach, and it is one of the most important approaches for public policy analysis. The network approach, and to see the relationship between the different stakeholders and the different key actors elaborating the policies, especially education policy in my case. So my reference was Oumé et le mieux était en 1999. Ces auteurs, they proposed actually three main three main types of networks. So they proposed the corporatist network, corporatiste, the clientelist network, clienteliste, et pluralistic networking, pluraliste. Alors tout d'abord, avant de commencer, j'aimerais vous lancer une question, just a quick question, just to see if you may know or not, in Egypt, what kind of network do you think, and in the Kingdom of Bahrain, what kind of network do you think? Just guess, just a guess, in Egypt. Clientelistic, corporatist, or pluralistic? No? No guessing?
Would you like to raise hands? So if it is 1, 2, or 3?
Or 3.
Just.
So 2.
3.
2.
2.
No, everybody. No, what is 4?
Which number? Which number?
Oh, everybody, your guessing is very true, actually. So if we can go to Egypt, it is clientelistic, I will quickly say clientelistic means different universities make a coalition together to foster for the policies of the accreditation policies, and they try to impose this in the strategic government agenda to say, yes, we would like to go for a sustainable development education, we would like to go for an accreditation of the education policies without any intervention, without any initiative from the government. Okay, now coming to Bahrain. 1, 2, or 3? Raise your hand. 1, okay. 3, 1, 3. Sorry. So in Bahrain, actually, it is a pluralistic approach, means it is a government initiative, it is coalitions between the universities, it is all directions relationship, and the circulation of information is very good between all actors and stakeholders. But for the Kingdom of Bahrain, there is only one concern, that all of these processes are not formal process. They are mainly informal process. Actually, all the actors try to use their connections and their networking and their relationship together instead to foster for the sustainable development and accreditation of education. So thank you so much. I try to respect time, and I'm available for any questions. Thank you so much.